Good morning! Guess who? Ben and me, Canterbury today, Church of England interviews number 2. Hello guys. How's it going, Ben?
Let's see if I can find out where we're going.
That's a good start.
I don't know. We're going for the really big old pointy thing.
Which is
the cathedral. Somewhere that way.
We actually saw the bell tower. So basically guys, we are working on these videos for the Church of England. It's a series of interviews about, it's called Our Faith. So people talking about their faith and their Christianity in general. And we, as you've seen in our previous episode at Liverpool Cathedral, if you haven't, go and check it out now in the link below. Today we're going to
another cathedral. So Canterbury Cathedral is like the mother church of all of the Anglican communion. So it's a pretty big deal.
12 people to interview today. So hopefully we'll wrap up in a couple of hours. Hopefully.
Let's go.
In terms of gear today, we got Blackmagic GoPro, tripod, one light. I think that's what we need for these interviews. I feel like Rambo, man. Can you hear the bell? 10 o'clock in the morning.
We are at the front visitors entrance.
Right, we're just in. This lady's escorting us inside. Someone is expecting, I think. We are inside the cathedral now with Adrian. He's taking us around to find the right location because we don't want a really noisy place, but we also want some nice background. So we're going through the cathedral now. We're going up.
Okay, to get in, you push down through there. Right.
That should be
You can push. You can push that too behind you. It'd be fantastic.
We're going to this chapel where actually people are not allowed. So interesting. Looks really old stuff. Oh my. Oh wow.
Well, I reckon it is the...
Guys, this place, have you seen the date? 1628. Canterbury Cathedral is amazing. It's not as big as Liverpool, but still it's impressive. The stained glasses are great. So this was built in 597. The stained glasses you see here on my back, 800 years old. History. Canterbury is a city in southeast of England, and it's famous because of it was the destination of a pilgrimage in the Middle Ages. So this star represents the center of the Anglican Church, and from here it spreads all around the globe.
originally, when it was a monastery, we had all the apothecary, terrible word, but basically all the medicines were made here, and they would have been grown here. And originally, when our gardener came in, it was literally chives and parsley. But he started putting back all the old medieval herbs.
We are checking the outdoor as well, but as all the other clips are indoor, we don't think it's a good idea, because otherwise there's too much contrast between the videos. So we might be filming indoor, but this place again is to be visited. We are in the place where the Archbishop Thomas Becket was murdered here in the year 1170. As I'm very curious, I was asking to Adrian also about ghost stories, and apparently there's a path here in the cathedral that if you go through on a Friday and you see a spirit of a woman, you will not last very long. Scary.
Yeah, let's set up in here, and we'll do. Simon's going to bring some people down at about 11:30ish. So we can do some in here, and then based on what we've done and what we're feeling, we can then revisit. So I think we want to make the most of the main cathedral itself. So I think we're going to try and do some stuff kind of looking down here, because you've just got, if you spin around, you've just got this lovely view down, and there'll be people walking around, which is fine. But we want to make the most of it before it gets too busy. And then if it gets too busy and it's too loud and everything, we can move into a side chapel and then work from there.
24mm lens, so we get a bit of the background as well and people walking past. In terms of lighting, we got one LD light today, but we got this big window here with natural light, so this part of the face is fine. Yeah, and now Ben just put on the light just to cover this side as well.
We're going with a Rode NTG1 for the boom mic, so we get a bit of Atmos with it as well. And then we're going to set up a lapel.
We're waiting for the people to arrive and start with the interviews. So hopefully in a few minutes we'll start. midday. It's quite noisy. We got workers upstairs, so we think it's better to go in the chapel. It's quite noisy here. We got reception right there, workers upstairs, and in there the light is better anyway. So we're gonna wrap up quickly. Right, setting up the clip mics. And ready to roll. Hey, actually, we're gonna close the episode here. We have not time, we need to get a train back to London. So Ben and me, we say bye. Alright guys, check the channel for more content every week. Now we're gonna put some stuff, so make sure you subscribe. See you soon.